Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. When I'm teaching and we get on to discussing families and family relationships and how you get on with other people in your family, one of the most common complaints I hear from students, and it's often students from a wide range of different countries, is that their parents or grandparents spend way too much time watching the official state-sanctioned news channels which basically just pump out pro-government propaganda 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And obviously this gives them a slightly distorted, twisted, warped perception of the world. My students often complain that their older family members take whatever they see on these channels as gospel, or they take it as the gospel truth. If you say that somebody takes something as gospel, it means that they believe what they hear without doubting it at all. I guess in many ways it's the opposite of taking it with a pinch of salt. And I guess the idea of taking something as gospel comes from the Bible, where in the New Testament you have the 4 Gospels of Matthew, Mark, Luke and John. We often use it as well just to say, don't completely believe me because maybe I'm wrong. So when you're passing on something you've heard, you might qualify what you're saying by finishing with, listen, that's just what I heard, okay? Don't take it as gospel. I might be wrong. You might want to double check with someone else before you pass on this story, alright? If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm, which helps more people find what we're doing. Please also share the video with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that people you know take as gospel, or times when you've told people not to take something as gospel.